This is the Unlimited Hair Spa Edit. This is the May TOYL box. So stay tuned and we'll have a good nosy through. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video is, I don't want to show my address, is this. So this is the May TOYL box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that, oh god, it's really stuck. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I can't open it. So I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what's in the giveaway. The main prize being the Glossy 2021 Advent Calendar, which is absolutely amazing. So please, if you can share my channel with your friends and your family, and hopefully if they'll subscribe, we'll get to 2,000 subscribers quicker and we can get on with the giveaway, because I've already got more giveaways planned. Right, so this is inside the May box, and here is the edit card. It just says here, this is the Ultimate Hair Spa box. Oh, fantastic. Got to love a good hair box. I wonder what is in here. Let's just have a sneaky peek. So this box is, well, it was £35 per month. If you have been a subscriber, it's still £35 until a certain date, I can't remember, but if you join from this point forward, it is £39.99. so basically it's £40 per month. This is the most expensive box that I get, but you do get higher end products in here which make it still worth the while. But yeah, I'm just going to move things up on top so we can have a proper sneak peek. So yeah, there is your sneak peek. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, I will leave a link down below for you. And yeah, I think it's time we get digging to see exactly what's in here. So just quickly back to the edit card. Like I said before, this is the Ultimate Hair Spa Edit and is worth £109.99, so that's absolutely amazing. Oh, I do just want to apologise if you can see the glare of my ring light in my glasses. I do apologise, but I have a stinker of a headache and I need my glasses on. There is a little note inside here. It just says, midlife hair can be a challenge. The colour might go a little greyer than we like. Yeah. It can also be a little drier than we like, and sometimes a little bit thinner than we like, but it doesn't mean it can't look fabulous. This box shoots for glossy locks and body and texture by giving your hair care without silicone to offer optimum hair health. Silicones look great as they give an incredible shine. After a few uses, hair gets coated and starts to look limp. Not what we're aiming for. Silicone can also make hair more prone to breakage and make hair thinner through lack of moisture. This box of incredible products, all from brands that are trailblazers in performance products for hair without silicone to give incredible results. And I'm not going to read the rest there because it actually says some of the products that are in the box, and I want to do that as we unbox it. So should we just move on to the first product? I think so. The first item we have in the box is this. So this is 3 more inches Lifesaver pre-wash treatment. The RRP for this is £10. Okay, so it's quite affordable. And it basically just says here that they're going to be running through the products in the order that you use them. So 3 more inches is up first. This is a pre-wash treatment to help get rid of silicone and dive deep into the hair shaft to rebuild protein and shore up breakages. The brand says, want gorgeous, healthy, shiny hair that grows stronger every day and styles like a dream? This is what Lifesaver Pre-Wash Treatment will give you. Perfect for every kind of hair. This professional silicone-free treatment is rich in cashmere proteins that repair and recondition the hair to feel natural and beautiful. Use this every other shampoo day. For best results, apply to dry hair. Rinse, then shampoo as normal. Oh, okay. So I love doing stuff with my hair. I can't wait to try that out. Anything to make it grow. I really want to get longer hair. I've got a video coming up soon which is about longer hair, and I really want long hair and I want it yesterday. The next product up, you could get one of two products. It is the Living Proof shampoo or conditioner. So the one that I have got is this, which is the shampoo. So the RRP for this is £25. So this is full shampoo. Living Proof is one of the most exciting hair care ranges around, and their full range is perfect for those of us who want more body. You'll either get the shampoo or conditioner in your box. Sorry, no choices, but both are incredible. The brand says this gentle yet effective shampoo cleanses the hair, priming it for maximum fullness by removing residue and build-up. If you got the conditioner, it says this detangling conditioner adds softness and shine without the extra weight for hair that looks like it's naturally fuller. So yeah, with the shampoo you apply to wet hair, lather, rinse, like any other normal shampoo. So really happy to get that. I've never tried the Living Proof before. I think what I might have to do is maybe buy the matching conditioner, because I like my stuff to match, and maybe do a video on it. But yes, I love matching products and I don't have matching products here, unfortunately. Third product we have is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox, and it's Repair 3-in-1 conditioner. The RRP for this is £20. Not heard of them? You will do. 99% natural and 90% plastic free. But more than that, this product is incredible. Conditioner, mask and styler product all in one. It is brilliant for any type of hair looking for softness and moisture. The brand says this ultimate multitasker acts as a conditioner, a leave-in treatment and a finishing balm. Leaves hair feeling super soft, repaired, glossy, frizz-free and suitable for all hair types. And the way that you would use it: after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. You can also apply it to towel dry hair as a leave-in conditioner, or on dry hair as a styling balm. So I don't want to go too much into this product. I have already done a review on this product, so I'm going to link that here. I'll let you watch that to see my thoughts on it. But I really wish that this was the conditioner to go with the shampoo. Fourth item we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Paw, and this is It Does It All 7-in-1 Hair Treatment Styler. The RRP for this is £9.99, so again, very affordable. It just says, thought they only did lip balms? Think again. This is 95% natural, vegan friendly hair styling product with no need to rinse. It does all of these things. So it is heat protection from styling tools, reduces split ends, it's a detangler, it's a leave-in treatment, it reduces frizzes, it reduces frizz and smooths, blow dry styling, add shine. Okay, so how to use it: spray directly onto wet hair. For dry hair, spray onto the hands and apply to desired area. Nice, easy, to the point. Okay, that'll definitely be interesting. I definitely have not tried any products other than their lip balms, so I'm actually quite excited to use that. The fifth and final item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and it's a hydrating rose face mask. The RRP for this is £45. Let's have a look. There are only two potential uses for this. First is relaxing while you let the We Are Paradox mask do its work, so that your skin and hair get a great treat at the same time. The second is gifting. You could pop this in a gift drawer as a gorgeous gift to give to a friend for a birthday, up to you. The brand says, when your skin needs an extra dose of moisture, layer on our hydrating rose face mask. The Damask Rose Water Infused Gel Mask returns vital hydration to the skin's surface, flooding it with moisture and natural humectants. Skin emerges supplely hydrated, glowing and dewy finish. That sounds really interesting. And I'm just going over, just checking the prices again. So I'm actually quite shocked. This is a hair box, yet the product that's worth the most is not a hair product, it's a face mask. Does that seem strange at all, that it's a hair box, yet the most expensive product is a face mask? I don't know. But again, I love a face mask, so I'll definitely be interested in giving this a try. I'm presuming if you don't like rose scent, you're not going to like this, but let's just open it up and see. This is what that looks like. If it's closed, I'm going to leave it closed. Nope, it isn't. Popped a tiny bit on there. Yeah, it does feel like gel, like water when you massage that in too. Yeah, definitely a rose scent. So if you ain't liking rose, you ain't liking this. It says how to use this as well. So you can use this 2 to 3 times per week after exfoliating for best results. Layer the mask over the face and neck and relax for 10 minutes. Rinse away with warm water to reveal beautiful, radiant skin. Plain, simple, to the point. That will be going straight into my face mask drawer, where I will do a video in the future. This is the May TOYL box. This is the ultimate hair spa edit. What do you think? Right, so personally, I don't mean to pull faces, but yeah, this is a good box. It is. I'm just really conflicted. I'm really conflicted. So first of all, the 3 inches or more, I am super excited to try that. I've never heard of that brand before. I've never tried anything by them. Obviously, if I've never heard of them. The Dr. Pawpaw, yes, I only thought that they did lip products. So yeah, really happy to give that a go. I'm over the moon to get a living proof shampoo. I really am. What I would have loved was, instead of this, was to have the matching shampoo, the matching conditioner. Like I say, I have done a review on this already, so make sure to go and watch that. I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box for you as well, so click it and go and view it. My thoughts may differ from other people's thoughts, put it that way. And yeah, the most expensive thing in the box is a face mask. This is a hair spa edit, and the star of the show, the most expensive product in there is not for the hair. So that has definitely confused me slightly. And don't get me wrong, I love a good skincare product. I love a good face mask, but in a hair care box? But yeah, no, I mean, the price, it's worth, what did I say it was worth? £110. Yeah, I'm really stuck, guys. I'm really stuck. I do like it, I do. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are and comment down below. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I don't know what all that was about, but never mind. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.